we're going to be installing this really nice piece from RK Sport. This is their front carbon fiber splitter for the F-150, made from real carbon fiber. And remember, 2-time entries for the Team Lethal giveaway when you purchase any product from RK Sport or any other brand involved with our build. We're giving the truck away along with $15,000 in cash. Alright guys, we're moving along with all of the body and styling upgrades with the Lethal Performance painted products. While we've got the truck apart, we're going to be installing this really nice piece from RK Sport. This is their front carbon fiber splitter for the F-150, made from real carbon fiber. Really nice looking product. It's going to tie everything together real nice. Remember, everything from RK Sport earns you double entries to the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway. These guys make really nice products. They've got hoods, body kits, as well as spoilers available, so definitely check their stuff out on the site. Get those entries for your chance to win the truck into 15 grand, and let's get going with the install of this and the rest of the parts. Looking at this front splitter from RK Sport, it's really nice. Awesome finish to it, real carbon fiber, and it's actually got everything pre-drilled and comes with all the hardware needed for install. This is a direct replacement for your front splitter, which the plastic one, it's gonna be a really nice replacement. Now, you do not have to remove the front bumper for the install. We obviously have it off because we're replacing it with the painted bumper. So this again will be a direct replacement and is quite easy to install on your truck. As you can see here, RK Sport ships these spoilers with the holes pre-drilled during assembly, so when you receive it, no modification needs to be done, and we'll be reusing the factory hardware to install this on the F-150. And the Mustang King is throwing a big shout out to our fam over at RK Sport for being a part of our build and an awesome partner in business. You guys are great, thank you so much. This truck is gonna come out so sick, I cannot wait to see this on the truck.
Take that.
That RK Sport front splitter carbon fiber looks amazing on the giveaway truck. Ties this front end in really nice. I mean, all this stuff together looks incredible, guys, especially having that carbon fiber front splitter on there. Big shout out to RK Sport for being a part of our build. We really appreciate it. Those guys have some really nice products, hoods, body kits, spoilers, splitters, the whole nine. Make sure to head over to lethalperformance.com and pick up your RK Sport products today. And remember, 2-time entries for the Team Lethal giveaway when you purchase any product from RK Sport or any other brand involved with our build. We're giving the truck away along with $15,000 in cash. So head on over and pick up your parts. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at 561-753-8105. I'm the Mustang King, and I'm out of here.